Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vaskia, and in today's video we're going to be trying out some new products. We're going to actually be trying out products from a black owned brand called Hiii hair products, and you're going to see how I use those products to achieve this bomb, define, moisturize, and voluminous twist out.
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a little mini unboxing before we get into me styling my hair with these products that I got. Okay, I was like, I need to do a little mini unboxing for you guys because this is exciting. Like, we got some products to try out on our hair, okay? And like, what better way to show you guys the products than to show you guys the products before I actually put them in my hair. So I'm going to show you guys the products, and then afterwards I'm going to style my hair with them and you guys are going to see the results. Okay, so the company that was kind enough to send us these products is called Hiii Hair Products, and I want to say thank you Daisy, which is the owner, for sending me these products. This is crazy to me, like literally. And she sent me like a little cute handwritten note, and I was like, that is so sweet. Like, she took her time to write me a little note. Like, thank you. These are the products I got. So I got a total of 4 products. I got a Hiii hair mask, a Hiii butter, and then some oils, and I'm gonna show you guys them right now. And I really love how there's confetti. Like, oh, it's the party. It's the party over here. It's the party. You guys came to a party. So the first product is the Hiii hair mask, and look at her logo. Look at Hiii hair products. Like, look at this. I love how the packaging is very sleek and it's really nice and just minimal. I see that, and it literally, like, she literally tells you like the directions for use, like legit how to use it, all the natural ingredients listed, and what the Hiii hair mask is itself. And I like that her products come sealed. I mean, I kind of opened it already. And then I got this Hiii butter. This Hiii butter, and look at the packaging. I love the contrast with the color. This is so cute. It includes Hiii and mango butter, and you can use it on damp or dry hair, and she says that it's perfect for wash and goes. So we're excited to use it on our hair today because we want to style it. And yeah, that's nice. And all her products have like 100% vegan. There's sulfate free, no parabens, and no preservatives, and all her products like have that on there. The oils in my hair today. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys oils. Look at the gold packaging. This is so cute. I'm gonna take the oils out. So we have 2 oils here. We have 2 oils. Look at this cute packaging, and look at these pipettes. The pipettes. Like, this is amazing because, like, literally, I'm gonna show y'all. Pick up some oil. It doesn't need to be filled up all the way to the top. And yeah, I can just squeeze it in my hair. Like, what? That is so nice. So yeah, this is Hiii oil, and this one is hair growth oil. Thank you guys for coming to this unboxing. Hopefully we have more future unboxing videos because that was exciting. Like, I loved unboxing these with you guys. Like, thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and use these in my hair, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using for, so keep on watching. Okay guys, I am back from washing my hair. I co-washed it. I will say my hair did feel really soft with the As I Am co-wash, but it was like a different experience. Well, it wasn't that different because I have used like shampoos that don't sud up that still clean my hair, so this reminded me of that. It doesn't really suds up because, well, I mean, it's a co-wash, it's conditioner, but my hair did feel clean but not stripped, moisturized, easy to detangle, but it was a plus for the As I Am coconut co-wash. So if you're interested in trying a co-wash, I'd recommend this one. And we're about to see what this bad boy is doing. This Hiii hair product Hiii mask. I've had it in my hair for about, I want to say, an hour, and we are back. Okay, so I look like a green pharaoh. I just have a towel on my hair. I'm just trying to like dry it a little bit. Oh wow. About to style it. We about to style and profile. Yeah, we're looking bright and bright today. It's about 4 days later and we are here. Like, do you guys see this? Like, I don't think you guys see this. I don't think you guys see it. Wow. So yeah, like, I went ahead and I used all the products that I mentioned in the unboxing. That's what I went ahead and I used for this twist, and we're gonna do a bomb twist out today, okay? A bomb twist out, because look at these bomb twists. I'm gonna go ahead and use these oils here the chibi oil and the hair growth oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and use both of these oils to untwist my hair and to show you guys how I'm achieving and how you can achieve a bomb twist out.
Nobody stealing covers. I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody, just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to, somebody to talk to. I like to drive by myself, so I control the volume. I like to dance by myself, so I can.
So I'm gonna go through again another time and unravel these some more, okay?
I like to dance by myself, so I can do my own moves. No, I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody, just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to, somebody to talk to talk to. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody, just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to, somebody to talk to talk. Yeah, I just want somebody, just want somebody. Yeah, I just want somebody, somebody to talk to. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody.
Y'all, can we just talk about her? Can we talk about her? Can we talk about how she's doing, how she's looking, okay? Because she is looking, she's looking good. But yeah, so I went ahead and finished fluffing it out. I went outside and it really held up. 92% humidity outside and my hair held up. Sis was like, held up, sis held up. So this is after I untwisted my hair. I was outside for a couple hours. I was outside like for like 4 or 5 hours and here we are. This is looking great. She held up, she has definition, she has shine, she has moisture, she is living, she's living large. So I want to talk about when I was using the products. They made my hair feel very moisturized. It was really clumping my curls together, if you know what I mean. Like my hair was really clumping when I was twisting it. I applied leave-in throughout my hair and then I went ahead and I used the chibi butter and then I used the chibi hair oil for my scalp, and then I use the Chibi oil for the ends of my hair. I would definitely use these products again, like, and I would legit use the same combo. Like, it's because they weren't wet, like they dried fast without drying out my hair, if that makes sense. Like my hair, I guess, just sucked in and retained all that water moisture. If you guys want to know more about these Chibi products from Ada Hair Products, then I'm going to leave some information down in the description box below about them, as well as links to all the products that I used today in this video. And yeah, just let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to see more hair videos from me, let me know down below. I'm willing to try it out and let you guys know my thoughts and everything with that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more great content coming your way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Bye.